I'm Mindy Galit Magalis. This is my reflection about physical and sexual health. Who am I? How I care about myself, standing by firm values, and preparing myself to serve as maritime officers. This is not just a buzzword. This is building. Building the character we need to sail safely and honorable.
As a cadets, our bodies are our most essential workforce. We don't focus only on how we look, we value strength, stamina, and resilience. Long washes, raw seas, and hard work demand we care for ourselves with proper food, rest, and exercise. This is vanity of professional beauty and safety for every voyage ahead.
Next is gender identity and expression. Each of us understands and accepts who we are, expressing ourselves with discipline, decency, and confidence. We reject all unfair stereotypes that says what someone can or cannot do. Respect ourselves first. Teaches us to honor every crewmate, no matter their gender or how they present themselves. Great to work will with diverse teams worldwide.
Third is responsibility for own health. Being informed means making thoughtful, responsible life choices. As recognized by the DOH and WHO, awareness of STIs, STDs is part of adult and professional preventable through informed decision, responsible conduct, and regular medical care. We understand this knowledge keep us fit, reliable, and safe, especially when far from shore-based medical help.
Self-knowledge means living by clear values and firm boundaries. We respect ourselves enough to know our limits, and we respect others enough never to cross theirs. Consent is always required, freely given, and can be withdrawn at any time. There are no expectations. Life on board means living and working in close quarters for months at a time. Our values guide every relationship and choice. We treat everyone fairly, reject harassment and judgment, and build trust that keeps crew safe, cooperative, and professional.
Our bodies teach us to care ourselves and each other.
Accepting our identities, build respect. Every person is healthy.
Practicing responsibility and keep us ready for duty anywhere in the world.
Living with integrity makes us not just skilled, but trusted leaders.
It's my original story. Self-reflection, paired with awareness, responsibility, and professional pride.
One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number